Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given two parts. First part, we are given that the sum of the interior angles of this n-gon, n number of sides, is 1620 degrees. Find the number of sides. And part B, three of the exterior angles are given, while the rest have the same angle. Find the angle of the remaining exterior angle. So let's focus on the first part first. Okay, the first thing to take note is that the sum of interior angle, there's a formula, isn't it? And the formula would be n minus 2 times 180. And they tell me that this is equals to this. So quite simply, by applying this formula and equating them to 1620, I can see that I will be able to solve it. Pretty straightforward. Now, I'm going to divide by 180 on both sides. So this will give me 9. Next thing will be to add 2 on both sides, so that I will have n equals to 9 plus 2. N is 11. Once I know n is 11, right, going back to this question, 3 of the exterior angles are given. Left how many? Yes, we would have, the rest here will be the 8 remaining exterior angle, because there is a total of 11 exterior angles. 11 sides, 11 interior angles, 11 exterior angles. And this is something that is very important to remember. The sum of exterior angles is 360. So, I just need to use 360 to minus away 32, 40, and 48 degrees. And this will give me the remaining exterior angle, which will be 240 degrees. This is for my 8 remaining exterior angles. So what is the angle of 1, since they are all same? Yep. So the required exterior angle for this question is simply divided by 8. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.